Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. It's a beautiful day, which is really nice. Cold though. Oh, autumn has arrived, it really has. With that in mind, I thought, what's a nice warm breakfast that you could have that, well, I've never tried before. And egg muffins, I mean, you'll know from the title. Egg muffins, I'm gonna try. I've never made them. I've got new silicone thingies, muffin thingies, and in fact I bought this yesterday. I do have these types as well, but I bought this was actually 6 in one piece, and I put it in the Cosori because I'm going to be doing this in the Ninja and the Cosori, but I put this in the Cosori because when I bought it I thought, oh, I reckon that will fit in the Cosori dual blaze. And it just didn't fit quite right, you know, it was a bit squished. So I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna have to take it back, blah, blah, blah. And it was only £2–3, wasn't hugely expensive. And it's really nice, I love the colours. Crouching Tiger, I think the shop's called. It's a Swedish shop, so it's got that kind of IKEA vibe. And we don't have any IKEA near us, so I do, if I'm ever in town, I do like to go in there, which is always a mistake. But we bought some stuff. So I thought, I'm going to cut it. Because I thought, well, you know, I want it to fit. And it does now. And why not? It's only silicone. So if you've bought one of these and you thought, oh, it doesn't fit, just cut it. Cut it so it fits. Because you can. I mean, I even, look, I've got the bits. I trimmed it so that it definitely did fit. So that's good. I've now got muffins for the Cosori. I mean, yeah, I've got muffins like that, in that kind of thing. You can never have too much of this sort of thing, really, because muffins is something that I haven't made very often. Cake, you know, that kind of thing. And egg muffins, oh, I like the look of this. I love eggs. So this looked great. It looked great for packed lunches. And what I'm going to do is I'm cooking quite a bit of a batch. These aren't going to all be eaten in one go. And I'm going to freeze them and then, you know, get them out and put them straight in the air fryer frozen and see how they turn out. And I'll try and add that to this vlog because it would be interesting to see if they're freezable and do they come out all right at the end. I am using, I mean, I'll show you the ingredients in a minute, but I'm using 5 eggs. But I had double cream in my fridge, so I'm going to use a splash of that, a big splash. But milk would be equally as good. So come and have a look at the ingredients. Oh, before I do that, I wanted to show off my new mug. I mean, I've decided to use tea mill, which if anyone knows Charles Dowding, he uses them. They do the sort of merch store for YouTubers and whatnot. But I thought right before I plug it properly, I wanted to wait till I got one of my own mugs because you can get samples as the sort of owner. You still have to pay, but you get, you know, slightly reduced price. Oh my god, I'm absolutely really happy with the with the quality, and these are dishwasher proof, so which is brilliant. In fact, I've got the allotment ones. I'm going to go and get them because they're so pretty. I have to show you. One moment, I'll be back. So they come in a really nice sturdy brown box and they're all in paper packaging, no plastic, which is really good. So this one, I don't know which one this is yet. Oh, this is my Lava Shed one. And I for those that don't know, because there might be some of you, but I drew these myself, these particular ones. I do love that. And I love a shed. As any of you who watch my Plot 25 know, I'm renovating my shed. That's really lovely, that is. I'm so chuffed with that. And the other one is my allotment print. And more will be coming. Then more are available on the actual shop store. Oh, God, these boxes are so good. But that's my art print. But again, it's just this smoothness, this sort of, the image is it's just brilliant. Yeah, so I'm really, really pleased with those. Right, get rid of those. Let's go and have a look at the ingredients. Thanks for sticking with me this far. We've got a way to go yet. Let's see how these turn out. Come and have a look at the ingredients. Okay, so there's our muffin cases. There's actually 5 eggs in there, which I'm going to beat and then add the cream or milk if you wanted. if you didn't have cream. So we've got spinach, I've got mozzarella, but cheddar would do. I only because I had mozzarella, I thought I'm gonna use mozzarella. Cherry tomatoes and ham. I mean, these are the things that you could go large. Spring onions, a little bit of sweet corn. Yeah, it's one of those fantastic sort of, especially with the kids. Actually, the kids probably would enjoy making stuff like this. Yeah, especially if it's for packed lunches and whatnot. So that's the ingredients. It will have floated up by now. I do have seasoning, but unfortunately I've run out of black pepper, which is really annoying because I love black pepper on my food. So I've just got a little bit of salt, but if pepper and salt seasoning, absolutely. Right, let's get started and get these mixed. What I'm actually going to do is fill the muffins with the ingredients, not the mozzarella because that'll go on at the end, and then pour, this is why this is in a jug, pour the egg mixture on top of the ingredients, and then sprinkle a little bit of mozzarella in each one. And also I'm only going to go to say halfway on each case because I think it will expand. So we're going to see how they turn out in the Ninja and in the Cosori. So let's get cracking. No pun intended, because they've already been cracked. See you in a bit. Well, I mean, this is the first time I've done this, so I wasn't sure how much 5 eggs with the cream would actually make. But, you know, it made 6, well, 6 for the Cosori and 5 for the Ninja. I was hoping to do equal amounts, but hey ho. And that's going to be a mini one. But that's fine. I probably started off by putting too much, and in fact I did say I was going to put the fillings in first and then the egg mixture, and I quickly realised that what I actually needed to do was do the egg mixture first and then pop all the ingredients into it, otherwise they would have all just been stuck at the bottom. I think that's how it seemed to me. So I did do the egg mixture first and then added the spinach, ham, etc. afterwards. And as you can see, the last thing was the mozzarella, or cheese, any cheese that you fancied, or no cheese even. So let's get these in the respective air fryers and start cooking. I'm looking forward to this because this is breakfast, and as I said before, I'm going to freeze and test how they manage as well, to reheat, etc. So let's get them in their air fryers. See you in a bit. So see how they fit in. Because I kind of trimmed that silicone muffin tray, it fits now. I'm really pleased with that. Right, there we go. 4.5, because that's a little mini one there. In they go. I think bake setting 180. I'm thinking 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to check at 10 and add 5 if I need to. So that's them. Drawer 1, got the right drawer. And the same with the Cosori. Bake, because I think it's a gentler fan speed, and 10 minutes. Yeah, see you in a bit. Right, so the 10-minute, that's the Cosori. 10 minutes are up. Let's have a look. Oh, wow. It really did blow up. Oh, that's 10 minutes. Wow. Let's quickly check the Cosori ones. I definitely would add 5 more minutes to these, but they're looking fantastic as well. Wow. It's interesting how some have blown up a bit bigger than others, but I don't know why that would be. But yeah, let's actually add 5 minutes to the Cosori, because I'm not sure about the Ninja. I think that might be done. So that's interesting, I think. So you know, at the moment, provisionally, it looks like it's 10 minutes in the Ninja and Thank you, Ninja. 15 in the Cosori. So really interesting, and I'm glad I used both. I mean, this is what I'm doing this for the channel, just so we can demonstrate, but they look great. It's the underside that I really want to have a look at. So let's get these out, and then I can check on the underside. Yeah, and then let these carry on cooking. Fantastic. See you in a bit. So I've got one out. The rest are still in there to keep warm, and you can hear the Cosori in the background. So let's have a look. Wow. Oh wow, that's really good. I'm happy with that. So yeah, 10 minutes for the Ninja. I mean, yeah. I mean, let's cut it open. We really need to see. To be fair, it could be too soft in the middle, but at the moment, I mean, I'll turn it upside down. Let's just really get this open. So this is the Ninja one, as we all know. Oh no, I mean, I'm happy with that. That's absolutely amazing. And it's roasting. Wow. Okay, that's brilliant. I'm going to pop that back in its muffin, and I'm going to put it back in the Ninja to keep it warm, because we're waiting for the Cosori. See you in a bit. Well, I've just ended. Right, let's have a look. Oh, wow, wow. I mean, look at the one at the end. That's gone ballistic. Wow. They, to be fair to the Ninja, I think I put a little bit more mixture in these, because this is what I started with, than I did with the Ninja ones, because I kind of quickly realised I was running a bit low. So yeah, but it's all about the amounts, I suppose. But that's well, they look grand. They really do. Right, let's get these out, and we're going to cut one open, and then we're going to have a closer look at a taste test. Yeah, so let's get one out for the closer look. Like cut in half. I've got to check the undersides. I'm really pleased with the silicone Dubry what's it. That's fantastic. Yeah, so see you in a bit. And what I was interested to see, because when I did the sort of tiny amount of research, is I noticed people oiled their silicone bases, and you might have noticed I didn't do that, and I really wanted to see how easy it is to get it out. I mean, well, look at the underside. It's interesting. I think it's possibly because it's thicker than the ones I had in the Ninja, that they don't look as cooked. Let's just check that one. But that's okay. It's firm. So I'm going to cut it open. Let's check the middle, and then we're going to go, as I said before, closer look, blah, blah, blah. See you in a bit. So this is the Cosori one. So the ones on the left are the Cosori, and the ones on the right are the Ninja. So just cut this open to check it. It's really hot. Oh, that looks nice. Delicious. Yeah, but I'm happy with that. So yeah, let's get a closer look and then come back for a taste test. See you in a bit. Oh, taste test time. Woohoo. Well, I've never had an egg muffin in my life, so this is the first time. And I do love spinach and cheese and all the rest of it. So whatever you love, you can put in. And I did think that if a kid has fun making these for their own packed lunches, they're probably more likely to eat it when they have it in their packed lunches at school or whatever. And I will be freezing some and coming. I'll add a note at some point in the video about when I've mentioned freezing and how it worked, or do a little video, you know, added into the segment, because I'm kind of going to the outro right now. So yeah, I'll if I can, I'll stick it here if there's a picture of it cooked, you know, coming out after being frozen. Yeah, so this is the Ninja one, and it is a bit smaller, but like I said, probably because I went low on the quantity when I realised I was running out. But yeah, oh yeah, excellent. Did you see what I did there? That's it's delicious. I mean, it's eggy. The cream does make it really rich. I can really taste the cream, but milk would be equally good. Although, to be fair, cream adds the richness, so it would probably be a bit tastier. I'm really gutted I didn't have any pepper. I must buy some in my next shop. You know, the peppercorns, because I love pepper, and it really does need pepper. It's been seasoned with salt though, so it's you know, it's tasty. And the spinach. They're really yum. And I would batch freeze these, and if I was doing a breakfast, throw them into the breakfast for those that like an egg, because it would, you know, if I couldn't be bothered to fry an egg, it would just add a little something to your fried breakfast. And a Cosori, and it's a bit weightier, so, but again, because down to me. I really love the freshness of it. You know, you got your egg. It's like it is a mini quiche, a crustless mini quiche. Actually, to be fair, that I mean, to be fair, I like a crust on a quiche, but this is exactly like that. And yeah, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Oh, I could keep going. The boys are waiting in the wings. They're going to have some of their breakfast. But I will freeze a batch. And these are lovely. I'm really pleased I made them. Really am pleased, and I highly recommend them, especially for packed lunches and that kind of thing. If you're going out for the day, delicious. Thanks so much for watching. I want to say a big thank you to Patricia Diamond. Trish, thank you so much for your super thanks. That's really lovely. Thank you very, very much. That's really kind of you. And thank you everybody who's watched to the end. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Just one half. There's a half here shouting, "Eat me, eat me."